They're not on Forbes. They don't ring the NASDAQ bell. And yet they control the code that controls the money. While you're scrolling TikTok, a silent revolution is happening in the background. An uprising of invisible billionaires. These are not founders in hoodies or crypto bros in Lambos. They are algorithm architects. People who understand one thing better than anyone else. How to teach machines to make decisions that print money. Today we'll expose how artificial intelligence is quietly building a new elite class. And why, by 2030, the richest people on Earth might not even be human anymore. Once upon a time, wealth came from factories, oil, and land. Now it's data. Every click, every purchase, every heartbeat from your smartwatch, all converted into mathematical patterns worth more than gold. The people who own those patterns don't sell products, they sell prediction. They know what millions will do before they do it. Amazon predicts what you'll buy. Netflix predicts what you'll watch. Your bank predicts when you'll overspend and quietly adjusts your offers. These predictive systems are self-learning, and those who design them get paid every time they're right. The smartest investors no longer trade stocks. They train algorithms that trade themselves. Meet the invisible billionaires. They're not influencers. They don't seek fame. They work behind the screens, teaching AIs to do what humans can't. Read patterns at godlike speed. Some are hedge fund quants who replaced entire trading floors with a few lines of Python. Others built bots that write ads, design products, or even produce full YouTube channels, autonomously. The average person still thinks AI will take my job. Meanwhile, the invisible billionaire is busy owning the AI that takes it. They don't need 10,000 employees, they need 10,000 data sets. And that's a game 99% of people don't even know exists. Wealth has always been about leverage. In the industrial age, machines multiplied muscle. In the digital age, algorithms multiply mind. One person with the right AI stack can outperform entire corporations. Think about it. AI writes your marketing copy. AI tests 1,000 ad variations overnight. AI negotiates pricing in real time. AI analyzes the data and reinvests the profits automatically. That's not science fiction, it's the new workflow. And every step creates a new form of leverage. Intelligence that compounds while you sleep. That's why the next elite isn't defined by inheritance, but by who owns the By 2030, entire industries will run on invisible infrastructure. Already, AI agencies sell brains as a service. Companies rent intelligence like electricity. While politicians debate jobs, silent networks of algorithms already coordinate logistics, design, marketing, and finance across borders, earning more in an hour than some nations in a year. Here's the twist. Most of these systems are owned by tiny private entities. Often one person, one server, one API key. That's the new aristocracy of code. A global empire with no passports, no taxes, no headlines. Every revolution creates winners and ghosts. As AI multiplies the productivity of the top 1%, the rest risk becoming spectators in their own economy. In the 1800s, industrial machines replaced manual labor. In the 2020s, cognitive machines replaced decision-making itself. The question isn't, will AI take our jobs? It's, who owns the AI that takes them? That single question defines the next century of wealth. Here's the secret the invisible billionaires don't advertise. The tools are public. The playbook isn't. You can start small, automate one process. Learn prompt engineering, build microbots, create systems that scale themselves. In the age of AI, the barrier isn't capital, it's curiosity. And the most valuable currency is understanding how intelligence compounds. In every era, a few saw the shift before it happened. They didn't work harder, they worked smarter systems. The invisible billionaires aren't coming. They're already here. And the only question left is, will you build the code or be built by it? Subscribe for more hidden truths about the new economy.